When it comes to making cities more livable, infrastructure planning can leave ordinary people alienated from a process that will impact heavily on their lives. This is where human-centered design comes in. With human-centered design, the focus is on making these huge projects more responsive to people's needs by engaging them up front and drawing inspiration from them. ADB is helping the People's Republic of China develop an intelligent transport system and sustainable transport infrastructure in Gui'an, a new district established in Guizhou province in 2014. With rapid change from farming to tech, the intelligent transport system will help Gui'an avoid the fate of many traffic-choked cities by making public transport comfortable, safe, accessible, and efficient, encouraging people to leave their cars at home. Here are some of the intelligent transport system ideas that came out of the human-centered design process. The intelligent transport system will help people easily navigate where they want to go, notify them when to leave, enable gadgets that track users through GPS, giving live travel information and allowing responsible adults to track the progress and safety of young children and the elderly. At the bus stop, things couldn't be easier. And on the bus, it's stress-free travel. People will be able to report incidents and experiences to make the intelligent transport system smarter and more responsive in real time. The data generated by the intelligent transport system will be open, creating further opportunities for businesses to offer additional services, bringing more convenience to commuters. To accelerate the development of apps and services, the project will sponsor hackathons on themes like road safety, disability inclusion, and green mobility. To get school-age girls excited about the intelligent transport system, the project will run coding camps, hoping to inspire future data scientists and engineers. Human-centered design. By giving people a voice, we're making cities more livable.